Hello friends, this is Aizzah and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial of this look. It is going to be a Valentine's makeup look. Part of this video is going to be a first impression because some of the makeup that I used are brand new. Actually, most of the makeup that I used are brand new. I bought it at BoxyCharm add-ons and I actually made a video doing a BoxyCharm add-ons haul. So if you're interested to watch it, please click this link. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on the video. For my brows, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna in the shade light brown. This brow comes with its own brush and I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush that comes with it. This definitely helps smooth out the color. I really like this brow. It's so easy to use and it's really fine that you can easily make your brows on point. With my Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade French Vanilla, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my eyelid. I'm not exactly sure if this is my shade, but we'll see. It looks like this is lighter than my shade. With my sponge, I'm gonna blend it. Kind of matches my skin already the moment I blend it out. I thought it's really light for my skin tone, but the moment I blend it, it actually blends really nicely and it just matches my skin. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Smashbox LA Cover Shot Eye Palette. I like the packaging in this one. Nice. So let's open it. Ooh. These are the colors. Nice. It actually has a eyeliner inside. And now with these brushes, I'm gonna go ahead and use it for my eyeshadow. This eyeshadow, I can tell that it will going to have a fallout. I'm just going to apply it all over my crease. I am using the brush Luxie 231. And now with the brush Luxie 209, I'm gonna use this shade. With Luxie 221 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade. With the brush Luxie 245, I sprayed it with Fix Plus. I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade. With this Metalist Liquid Glitter Topper, I'm gonna go ahead and take the middle shade and I'm gonna use it in my eye. And now with the brush Luxie 217, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade and apply it to my brow bone. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX Epic Wear for my liquid eyeliner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara using the Tarteist. And now using these false lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my eyes. I'm actually just going to use just half of this. And for the other half, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on top of it. And now I'm gonna do my face, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty that I just used earlier. I really think that this is a wrong shade, but we'll see when I blend it out. Yeah, I would definitely say that the shade that I got is lighter than my skin tone. My neck easily gets red, so I wouldn't be surprised if it will turn red because I'm blending it with a sponge. Using the beauty blender, I would say that it's hard to blend. So I'm trying to spray it with Fix Plus, hoping that it will help it a little bit in blending. And by the way, this matte skin stick is not a full coverage. Using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my dark circles. And now with my Studio Makeup HD Finishing Powder, I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer. And I'm gonna use ColourPop F30 brush. For my contour, I'm gonna use the Lancome makeup stick in the shade 460. Using the ColourPop E25, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. With this glitter topper from Touch n Soul in the shade Mono White, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my tear duct. Now with Kylie Cosmetics Illuminating Powder in the shade Cheers Darling, using my ColourPop F30 brush. For my blush on, I'm gonna use Pretty Vulgar in the shade Hush Blush with my ColourPop F29 brush. For my lip, I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty in the shade Shoddy. And now with my MAC Fix Plus, I'm gonna spray it. video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet, and please don't forget to leave a comment down below what video should I do next. Alright, see you next time. Bye!